Hello friends, today I'll be explaining you all how to get access to the ACS GUI for the very first time. So without wasting any single moment, let's get started. I have used the GNS3 emulator to create the topology. So we have a user, device and the ACS server, and I have assigned the IP addresses to all the interfaces. So as you can see, ACS server is connected with our device via VMnet adapter. So first of all, let's see how to create this VMnet adapter. So for this, we need to go to our VMware workstation first and click on edit, and then as you can see here, virtual network editor, click on this one. For me, I have already created VMnet adapter to connect to the ACS server, and so I'm not going to create it again, but I will tell you so that you can create it by yourself. First of all, you need to click on change settings. Yes. And then you will click on add network. You will choose any network, whatever you want from this drop down list, and then click on OK. Once you are done with that, you will click on host only and check the checkbox for connect a host virtual adapter to this network, and uncheck the box for this use local DHCP service. After that, type in the subnet IP address here, which is for me 150.1.7.0, and the subnet mask is this. Once you're done with all these settings, click on OK. So your VMnet network adapter 10 has been already created. So let me show you how would you confirm that if it's been created or not. So you need to go to control panel first, and then go to network connections. And as you can see, VMware network adapter VMnet TAM is shown in the under the network connections. So now let me tell you how to get the GUI access for the ACS server. So this is our topology, and I'm going to use the Google Chrome browser for this one, because I tried using Mozilla, but it was not working for me. So there are always some issues with browsers. So what is the IP address for our ACS server? For us, it is 150.1.7.112. So we're gonna type in here https:// and then type in the address. So it will show you not secure, but that's perfectly alright for us. It's a little bit slow here, it's taking some time. There are always two type of access for ACS server. One is CLI access and the other one is the GUI access, and which I am explaining here is the GUI access. For CLI access, there is no default username or password. That's always up to us what we define, so we need to make a note for that, what is the password we have defined for CLI access. And for GUI access, there is always the default username and password. So when you log in for the first time, you type in those default credentials for ACS. So ACS admin is the default username, and the default password would be default login.